Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Kakkar and I'm the Senior Representative of Sarthi Education Foundation. Today I have come to deliver a conversation with every parent and student who dreams of foreign education and settling abroad. COVID-19 pandemic. The next few months will be painful, but the key question involves how will we respond to the pain? Please understand, maybe virus was no one's fault, but our responses and the economical, political, and personal costs are at least partly within our control. Coming to the impact on education, please have this bottom line very clear that if it's the Harvard University which is closed, so are IITs and IIMs. This is a global situation that has arisen. So I would request every parent to broadly think about education. If you have dreamed that your child will have an excellent future in a specific course line, I don't think that because of the 6 months or 1 year panic, you should let it go. We have to look at education in a way that it brings some new horizons and a great paradigm shift. There is a global race between institutions and universities, and every country is trying to make sure that they do not lose upon the students. International students and mobile students somewhere cover the major chunk of revenues for all the universities and entire country, be it USA, Australia, Canada, Brazil, Italy for that sake. So all of us, especially the parents who once dreamed that their child should go abroad, I would request should not let it go. Please understand that when you took a decision, you would have had some pointers and factors already thought. The specific course, the country, opportunities, the better lifestyle and the future. This scenario is new to all of us, but I think that with all the input, when we try to put in be it researchers, universities, countries, or even the home countries for that sake, all of them are trying to cope up and understand where will we land. But it is a situation where none of us should get panic and think in a very optimistic way, because that is something that is only in our hand. All of us somewhere need to analyze the course, the future opportunities, and how will things turn. But just because of the 6 months panic, you cannot let go your child's future. The scenarios might be totally different, but what if they all are in favor of your child? As parent, you should give this the very first thought. We at Sarthi Education Foundation are always open to all the parents and students who have the foreign education dream to answer all their queries and even understand how will they survive in a specific country they choose. Please understand the process of taking admission in a foreign country, the course line that you are opting for. See, there are various universities in Canada, USA, and even Australia who are open for September 2020 intake and Jan 2021. So please feel free to drop your questions on our website or the social media platforms. We would be happy to answer. And even for latest update on the admission processes and the recent intakes, please feel free to connect at Sarthi Education Foundation. Thank you.